So we've got the car outside right now. So I've had this car since early 2014. That's when I got the GT500. Less than a year later, I got the car super snaked. And you gotta realize too, I've had no issues with the super snake. Really none at all, except getting new tires from time to time. But this is just something that's bound to happen. Every car has some issue over time. Hopefully I can get all this stuff settled out real soon. I'll make sure to keep you all updated regarding the process. This is gonna be my first My Car Broke video. What's up guys? Welcome back to the Shelby Lifestyle. In today's video we're heading to Cars and Coffee again, but I have some news regarding the Shelby Super Snake. The car now has an issue that I gotta look into fixing. It's nothing catastrophic at all really, but what it is that the clutch friction plate needs some repairing done to it. The clutch I have in that car is an Ace Super Twin clutch. The lifespan of it is not very long, so I think I've had the clutch for just the right amount of time, and I have done lots of things with that car. Donuts, burnouts, track days. So it's just one of those race parts that needs to get changed over time. So I got to look into that. Odds are I'm taking the car to Shelby American because they know about the car the best. They know how to fix it. So I'll have to maybe drive the car up there if I can make it, or I'll have to trailer it. Pretty exciting news is that the Shelby Bash is coming up. And if you guys don't know, it's basically a rally of a couple, I'd say 100 Shelbys, go all the way up to Vegas, starting from Palm Springs. And then it's about 2 days, I believe, and it's gonna be open track and it's gonna be poker runs. So that's gonna be pretty exciting to film and you know, get all that together in a video. Can't wait to share it all with you guys as well. Also, I got lots of comments on my last video. You should give them a reaction in the Super Snake. So once I do fix the Super Snake, get a new clutch worked on, I'm gonna be able to do a reaction video again with that car, and hopefully it really does just scare the heck out of me. Okay, so we're heading up on Cars and Coffee. Usually there are not many Shelby GT350s there. Last time I believe there was about 2 of them. The Cars and Coffee I usually go to, it's a once a month event at my local mall, and really it seems to be mostly Chevy Camaros that show up. Bunch of ZL1s, a bunch of ZL110s, heck of a ton of Hellcats and Dodge Challengers. The GT350 right now just turned to the left. He's got a custom bred stripe on that as well. There he is, he's turning in. Haha, that's great. See, that's the one thing no other car can make, that sign right there. that's gonna wrap up Cars and Coffee. A pretty nice turnout this time. We actually had 3 GT350s. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, make sure to comment down below what you think. Subscribe for more great content, and I'll see y'all in the next video.